Hello friends, I have been using this Tenor Bluetooth speaker for 6 months. Friends, there are many videos on YouTube about this speaker. So I'm going to explain shortly its specification. It's a 10-watt speaker with Bluetooth 5.0 support, 10 hours of playtime after a full charge. Also it support water resistance IPX5 plus proof, inbuilt mic for seamless hands-free calling. Here its build quality is excellent, no doubt, but the playback time I'm getting 6 to 8 hour. Company claims 10 hour, but I'm getting 6 to 8 hour playback times. So the most important is its sound quality. It's excellent. Let's start its sound test. So friends, I have connected a aux cable. So the aux cable also connected with my laptop. So let's begin its sound test.
Power on. Aux in.
I'm going to increase its volume up to maximum. Okay, let's start.